We got flashers, hazard. I got this Super ATV turn signal and horn kit from Super ATV, and it's kind of interesting. I also got the license plate attachment with a light, but one interesting thing with this is it uses the existing rear lights. The only place you have to drill for lights is the front signals and the indicator light for the dash. Has good instructions. And there's an indicator light. And how I installed it was it's kind of buried, but I've got the flasher right there. I mounted the horn down there, and I used the existing hole for the horn that it threaded into the plastic. So, and then the lights for the front are right there, and for the rear I ran the cabling there. I'm gonna go ahead and post some install video on it too, but I'll show how it works. It's the indicator light there. And it does have flashers or hazard lights. And they disconnect when you turn the signal on, and then it has a horn, and it works pretty good. Got the license plate bracket on there. Wiring goes back there. There's the wiring harness. That inside, got it wrapped up and cable tied right there. Everything is out of the way. Got it tied there. And it tied down here. And got it coming through the tunnel. Goes right next to there. Tied there. And then I pulled all the slack in, tied it here. The theory is if this ever has to be pulled out. I got enough slack here that it won't be a problem for pulling anything out of here. That's my theory. And then it goes along here. And it routes up here, and I haven't done any ties here yet, but I got the back wired in. On the front end, I've got the flasher mounted here. This is a ground. It also mounts a flasher. It goes into metal back here. What I did, I've got to tie that up still, but I extended the ground wire, and there's the plug for the controls on the steering wheel. This is hooked up to the bus bar. Got all this tied up. Looks like it's in there pretty good. The lights got wired. Right up there. Side's wired in there. The horn. The horn, I ended up finding a hole in the side that's threaded. It screwed into it. Now it works fine. So but it looks like I got it almost done. I'm ready to button it up.